In this video, I'll show you how to make dress for doll using dry coconut, ribbon and sequins. I have been making dresses for dolls since I was a teenager. It is one of my favorite hobbies. This I have made about 15 years ago. As you can see, the coconut is still good. It stays for a long time and it doesn't rot and it doesn't give any bad smell. This is the dry coconut we are using. We will be using this ribbon, these sequins. These are of different colors. There is red, blue, purple and green. I'll be using green like this and purple. We also need thread and needle, scissors. We also need sewing pins like these ones. They're not too long. This is the doll we are using, for which we are going to make a dress using a dry coconut. So we have to make sure this doll is not too tall. Up to this part, the waist part below, it will go inside this. You have to make sure that this is not too long. So I'll be measuring the waist part here. This is in centimeters, so I start from here. So this is about 6.5. Now I have to cut the top portion of this coconut in a way that the circumference will be around 6.5. Little more, you can keep it as 7 centimeters, between 6.5 to 7 centimeters. So before that, we have to peel this part, the outer layer of this coconut, to make it look like white. Also, I'm going to cut at the bottom after peeling it off to make it flat. As you can see, this is not flat, it is roundish. So for this one to stand, to sit on the platform on this table, so I'm going to cut like this, not too much. Like this, you have to make it white all around. As you can see, I have taken out the peel and it looks like this, almost fully white. I have taken a wet kitchen towel, so I'm going to put the coconut here and cover it. Do like this so that anything loose sticking to it will come out. It will stick to the towel. Out of this and this end, I'm going to pick the pointy end like this as the top part and this as the bottom. You can see I have cut the top portion, so this is where I'm going to put the doll inside, and this is the bottom portion. I have made it flat. This need not be very flat, but you have to make sure the doll goes inside. So because I cut it here, so I'm going to use the kitchen towel again, so it can sit straight now. Now I'm going to make blouse for this doll using ribbon. So go like this. It should be tight. And the second layer can come little below. again. Can adjust a little bit and go to the back. So I'm going to cut it here a little bit like this, extra beyond this. So I'm going to fold like this and stitch here. Put a knot, one more knot to end the stitch or stitches. This is the blouse or shirt. Now I'm going to insert this doll into this coconut. You can insert, adjust to your liking. So I have to cover this area for it to look nice. So I'm going to make some frills like here by stitching to close around the doll on this coconut. So I'm making one fold here at the end and go like this. Start here, the stitches. I'm going to put a knot here. Okay, I'm going to make some frills here. So this is how you make it. Make a fold. Go like this. Pull it, continue. We are going to measure this, how long we need, like this. So we still need more. We'll continue with this. Now you can put a stitch here so that it doesn't open, and you can continue. You can put one more stitch here. Let's measure it again. We are almost there. Let's measure it again. We have done it, so I'm going to end zone, so I will take some extra length here. Got it. Fold it on the inside. One knot, second knot. And cut it off. Now I'm going to use some pins to make this stay in place. Go to the back. You can adjust here. Put one here. You can put one more here. This is how it looks. Now we are using sequins on this, like this. I'm going to choose like green and purple, and we have pins. We can put them with the pins. I'll show you how it works. So you can see the pin, right? So to cover that, I will go with this again. We have that. Take one more pin. Go next to that. You can see, right? So I will go around, not too many. One more here. We have this pin. Actually, I can put a little at the front. Okay, now it is covering the other pin. One more. You can leave that. One more, you can put it here. So I'm going to decorate this part. So let us use some purple. You can make any design you want here. Go around and put in between, whatever you feel like. So I have put these many. I'm going to put some more here. I have put sequins all around. I have made some design. You can pick any design you want. If you want to add more, you can. And so the doll is ready. So I'm going to make something for the doll's neck. So for that, I'm going to take ribbon again. I'm going to cut this part. So I'm going to take the doll. So I had to double it. So like this, fold the ribbon and go around the neck like this and measure it. Like I may need this much, so a little more because I had to stitch them together. So I'll be cutting this. So you can cut the extra part, thread coming up. I have to fold it. So I have cut this. It will be like this, but before that I'm going to put stitch here like this and also on the other side. So I have stitched at the back together like this, and then the neck piece is ready and the doll looks like this. Thanks for watching.